Hey guys!
Welcome to MK Crafts. I'm Madison.
And I'm Kayla.
And Happy New Year!
Woo!
Today we are doing the New Year's Eve ball drop slime challenge. So we have 1 minute to make different slimes. So we have 3 rounds, a jiggly slime, a normal slime, and a fluffy slime.
Yep, and then we're trying to make it in a minute. If we don't get it, then we lose.
Yes, and whoever makes the best slimes at the end is our winner. And you also comment down below who you think wins.
Yep.
So, we love those things.
Yeah.
So currently it is 6:04. So we're getting closer.
Yeah, we're filming this on New Year's Eve,
yes.
but it's gonna go up on like the 6th or something for you guys.
But anyway, it is New Year's Eve, so we're really excited for New Year's. And only 6 hours left of 2018.
Yep. All right.
When MK Crafts was born.
I know, but it's okay. 2019 is gonna be great for us.
It's gonna have our first birthday. It's gonna be amazing.
Woo!
Anyway, ready to get started?
Okay.
So our first round is going to be normal. So I'm gonna have my phone here to have the timer. So we each have our own gallon of glue.
We're gonna use staff flow for this one. All right, we're gonna start the timer. The race begins. This is probably gonna be easy though, making it. We have to make it finished, right? We have to be able to.
Yeah.
What are the rules for it to be complete slime? You have to be able to actually play with it without, like, you're not still pushing it around.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I went over, please. Okay.
How much slime are you making?
This much.
Okay.
Blue.
Okay.
Blue for you. Okay, you see my slime.
This over there.
45 seconds already.
Oh, wow, that was a lot of purple.
I have a lot of blue too. We have staff flow too, just harder to use. So we're really freaking out. I have 30 seconds left.
What?
This is going so
No way.
Hands are going in. Okay. Hands are going in. Water is splashing. 20 seconds.
This is way faster than I thought.
I know, I thought we had more time than this. Mixing, mixing, mixing.
14 seconds? Holy crap.
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Dang. That's
Oh
hard.
my gosh.
All right, well, mine is goopy.
Mine's really goofy too. This is what mine looks like.
This is what mine looks like.
Mine's stretchy.
It's all chunky. Basically, we both failed at this round.
Yeah, but mine's better after. After eating.
But that doesn't count. It's how it ends
But
at
my
the
slime
end.
is better.
No, how it ends. Either way, we both failed.
Really match the cups.
Oh my gosh, imagine the fluffy one's gonna be hard.
But fluffy slimes are easy to activate.
Okay.
Jiggly slime's gonna be really hard. That'll be our last round. I like my slime. It's pretty pokey, pretty nice.
Yep, so that one, round 1 is complete.
Yep.
All right, next round is fluffy slime. This is gonna be different. So we only have 1 shaving cream, so you have to go fast. If you're gonna use it first or me?
I'll use it first.
You better go fast.
I will. I'm
she's
fast.
gonna purposely make it
No,
so I
I'll be
can't.
like,
Okay, I shook it up so it's ready to go.
give me 3 second limit for the shaving cream.
Yeah, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Get out. That was a lot of purple. This is a pretty slime. Oh, lost that one. 30 seconds. This has to be slime this time. I'm going to not have slime. I need to have slime.
How much time? 24 seconds.
It's not that bad, I guess. Just keep kneading.
Oh, I end it. You gotta end it. So we can see the time.
I told her I couldn't FaceTime her. What are you doing?
Oh my gosh,
Mine's
come on.
slime.
Mine's a little overactivated. Shoot.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Madison did a good job. Look at this.
Mine's really good.
We both finished, but mine's horrible.
Mine's amazing. Feel mine.
Mine's way overactivated.
Mine feels
Ooh, yours
really
turned out
Oh my gosh,
good.
it's like guts. It looks like brains.
Ooh, Madison did good on this round.
Yeah, I did.
I just got overexcited with the activator.
Yeah, I think I poured in like the perfect amount.
This was easier to do though, I admit. Like if I would have just not poured as much, I would have gotten it done in time.
Yeah. It's like fluffy slime is usually just like the kneading. It takes a little bit,
Yeah.
but it's not that hard to activate. So
Yeah.
Mine's a really pretty purple color too. I actually.
Mine's a
really
pretty
like
color if I would have.
Yeah.
Finish
That's a
it.
little better. Yeah. This is what I'm really scared for. Guys, it is round three.
Round 3.
And we have jiggly slime. The hardest one to make.
I don't even think I've
1
ever
minute.
made this slime. I've only made it from the kit.
So to make jiggly slime, you need to add glue and water, mix it together, add food dye, then your activator.
Okay.
So it's pretty much like fluffy slime, but instead of shaving cream, you add water. Jiggly slime, jiggly slime.
Okay.
How does that
Ready?
sound? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm scared. We should have our own water if you're wondering.
Oops, that's a lot. Oops, that's a lot of water. Pour some back.
Green, you better work. That took a long time to squirt in. This is hard to mix. That sound, oh my gosh. 35 seconds.
Wow, that was fast.
I know. This is extra fast. I had the whole thing of Staples in there. It's better work.
Oops, splattery staple. Oops, splattery staple everywhere.
20 seconds.
No way! This goes by way faster.
Better stay on. Come on, you gotta work. You gotta work.
How did you get yours?
7,
Mine
6,
just looks like an egg yolk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm not really good.
I hate this. I think Madison practiced.
No, I swear I did not.
Mine's, if I could just knead it a little longer, it wouldn't be that bad.
Yeah, mine's good though. I thought I had jiggly, but
This is like normal slime. How much? You added barely any water.
you had like the same amount. I had more water in my thing to start with.
Sure.
I
Anyways,
did.
I failed. Mine looks like kind of like eggs.
Mine is a really good, super stretchy. This glue looks horrible. So it's really stretchy.
This is my first round.
Purple slime should have the best.
Yeah, these turned out good, but I had to add more activator to it.
Yeah. Real fast, listen to this, people. Into this. Into this.
Here's mine. Ready? That's pretty
That's
good.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Switch. Oh, I like yours.
Yeah, I like mine better than yours.
Because you-
Okay. We hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we get a new video out.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye!
I lost. I get it. I'm not good at these challenges.
You're good on the eating challenge, but not the slime ones.
So you're calling me fat?
You're good at the eating aware.
You're good at eating.
You're good at the eating. The whatever Wednesday challenge, but not the slime one.
No, this is horrible.